Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one I'm happy to say we've managed to get our first profit on the account in day 3, which is quite nice. So after taking a small loss, we've now managed to get to $151 profit on the account, starting to hopefully eat into that 3,000 that is needed. So for the trade we took today, it was $425. After commissions, it was like $421, which is quite nice. I ended up taking a trade around this sort of level. I was still trying to figure out like contract sizes and things like that, so I ended up taking it a little bit later, trying to figure out my risk and reward. So hopefully, as I just get a little bit more comfortable with setting this up, hopefully I won't be taking the trade a little bit later than I would like. So I took it a little bit higher than I wanted to, so my risk to reward wasn't as great as it should have been, and I ended up taking a profit just above this high here. Yes, it did shoot up a little bit more. Wasn't really looking for that. I just wanted quick expansion to the upside for this particular trade, in which it took about 20 minutes to complete. As we can see, it does show us 3 trades taken, as I mentioned on the first day. Ended up taking 2 trades just to make sure I didn't over risk. So it does show us 2 losing trades, but really it should be 50%, as I've had two trades really, 1 winner, 1 loser. Of course, the winner exceeded the loss that I took on that first trade. So now in a profit, which is nice to see. Really like this dashboard, want to really start to see how this plans out as I take more and more trades on the account, and hopefully it will help out with my own analysis of my own trading. So yeah, this one did take just over 20 minutes, so not too bad to be out in that time. Of course, the loss was about 2 minutes, as we can see here, so that was just really quickly went against my idea. But this one took a little bit of time to get to where I wanted it to go, to take some profit. So really happy with the trade so far. Really happy with how Alpha Futures just gives all these extra features, which is really nice to see. So as we can see, took the winning trade there, so for a slight profit now on the account. I was also just thinking with how the qualified account would work. So what we need to do is be able to have 5 trading days of over $200 profit. So of course this would have counted as one. So I'm going to sort of log what my profit would look like in being able to take a profit once I'm in a qualified account, as I'm still in this evaluation one here. So we'll start to see how that pans out. Anyway, I am doing a 7-day creator sort of program thing with Alpha Futures at the moment, to post videos for 7 days on the platform basically. So once I do so, hopefully they're happy with that, then I will actually receive another 50k zero account. So I will have 2 in less than a week's time now, so I'll actually have 100k of evaluations to be going through. So I'll show you guys all of the ins and outs to that. I'll be transparent with the journey with that. I think you can only be transparent when you're showing the details on the dashboard and such anyway, so there's no way to sort of hide anything there. There's nothing really for me to hide. I'm not really the greatest trader or anything, I don't claim to be. I just want to document my journey, not only for myself but just for others to also see. I think it'd be quite nice. It was something that I wish I got to see when I was trying to trade a few years ago. I've obviously been a little bit busy with other things in life, so I've now shifted to being able to have a bit more time to allocate to my trading. So we'll see how this pans out. But thank you all for watching. Leave any comments that you may have down below. I am looking to hopefully, get the max allocation on Alpha Futures, which is the 3 trading accounts. So hopefully if I do get a payout on this account, then also once I get the second account through the creator challenge, I'll have 1 more challenge to get, so I can purchase another, sort of hopefully show how to qualify for them, get into the qualified accounts, and then start receiving some payouts, and then actually moving into getting some funding from other firms as well to show how to scale with that. Hopefully it's obviously successful. That's the plan right now. We'll see how it goes, and even down in the line, going into becoming a live trader with Alpha Futures would be great. Being on the trading floor in London, and perhaps in the future, I know that they want to be in different locations as well. I've been watching some of their YouTube videos, which are really, really great also. So if you guys haven't watched some of their YouTube videos, I do suggest doing so. A lot of great content there, and it's really good to see what they have planned for the firm as well. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video.